Hi everyone, my name's Mike Brown and welcome to my course Designing Hybrid Networks in AWS. I am a senior cloud instructor working at 5-Band Training in the UK, specialising in Amazon Web Services. AWS is one of the biggest providers of cloud services today. Most AWS projects involve working with existing organisations, and a large group of those organisations will wish to extend their networks into the AWS cloud. In this course, we're going to take a detailed look at AWS hybrid networking. Some of the major topics that we will cover include site-to-site VPNs, AWS Direct Connect, transit gateways, billing, and BGP for AWS hybrid networks. By the end of this course, you'll have detailed knowledge of AWS hybrid networks that will make you a valuable member of any AWS networking team. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with the basics of VPC implementation. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into AWS networking topics with courses on design and implementing AWS networks, securing AWS networks, and integrating AWS networks with application services. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn hybrid network designs in AWS with the Designing Hybrid Networks in AWS course at Pluralsight.